In today's video, I am going to show you the technique of modern way of doing Surya Namaskar. I have also shared the technique of traditional way of doing Surya Namaskar. You will get the link in my description. You can watch later. This is my own experience. So when I visited North Indian yoga schools, there I got to know about the steps of traditional way of doing Surya Namaskar. And when I visited South Indian yoga schools, so there I have learned the modern way of doing Surya Namaskar. So watch the video till end. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. Namaste everyone, my name is Shahida. Let's begin. Let me show you the 12 asanas in Surya Namaskar, just the body movement. And in second set, I am going to show you the breathing pattern. So first, come at the front of your mat. Never begin the Surya Namaskar standing at the middle of your mat or standing at the back of your mat. You should always come at the beginning of your mat like this. Join your heels and toes together like this. Keep both the palms by the side of your body here, and your posture is completely align head to toe like this. And then from here, join both your palms in front of your chest. Posture number 1. This is Pranamasana. Arch your back. Inhale like this. This is Hasta Uttan Asana posture number 2. Stretch your hands in front like this and then slowly bend forward. Posture number 3. Push your head towards your knee. Pada Hasta Asana. Posture number 4. Right leg goes all the way back. Drop your right knee down. Push your hip forward. Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Posture number 5. Santolanasana. Left leg goes back. Posture number 6. Drop your knee down, hip up, chest down, chin down. Posture number 7. Bhujanga Asana. Posture number 7. Parvatasana. Keep your heels and toe together here and look towards your toe here. Parvatasana. Posture number 9. Right leg goes forward here. Left knee down, left toe out. Look in front. Push your chest out. Posture number 10. Pada Hasta Asana. Like this. Push your head towards your knee. Posture number 11. Hasta Uttanasana. Arch your back. Posture number 12. Join your palms in front of your chest. So this is half like a sun salutation. To make it complete full, we are going to do with the left leg. This is just one round. In one set, there are 2 rounds. One with the right and other with the left. So, palms in front of your chest. Pranamasana 1. Arch your back. Hasta Uttanasana 2. Exhale. Keep stretching your hand out like this and then bend forward. Pada Hastasana 3. Push your head towards your knee like this. Posture number 5. Left leg goes all the way back. Drop your left knee down. Push your chest out. Posture number 4. Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Posture number 5. Santolanasana. Right leg goes back. Look straight forward. Posture number 6. Ashtanga Namaskar. Drop your knee down, chest down, chin down. Posture number 7. Heels and toes together, head up, chest up. Bhujangasana. Posture number 7, tuck your toe, hip up, Parvatasana. Inverted V. Posture number 9, left leg forward between both your palms. Push your chest out, look in front. Posture number 10, Padahastasana, head towards your knee. Posture number 11, arch your back. And posture number 12, palms in front of your chest. So this is complete one set of Surya Namaskar. Let me also show you how to breathe in Surya Namaskar doing all these steps, so that it is better for you to understand and to develop the awareness. First, come at the beginning of your mat. Keep both the palms by the side of your body. Nice and strong you are standing. Feel the body weight equally distributed on your feet. And from here we begin. Posture number 1, join your palms in front of your chest. Deep inhale and exhale. Pranamasana. Arch your back, inhale. Look up, Hasta Uttana Asana. Exhale, stretch your hands forward like this, and this. Exhale, Padahastasana. First we do with the right leg. Right leg goes back, Ashwasanchalanasana. Push your chest out, push your hip out. With the inhalation, Ashwasanchalanasana. Now you are going to retain the breath in Santolanasana. Retain your breath, make your body strong, core strong. Ashtanga Namaskar, exhale. Knee down, hip up, chest down, chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana, toe together, head up, chest up, inhale. Exhale, tuck your toe, hip up. Parvatasana, look at your toe, big toe. With inhalation, right leg goes in front. Drop your left knee down, left toe out, push your chest out, hip out. With exhalation, exhale, left leg forward, head towards your knee. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana, arch your back, chest open. Exhale, palms in front of your chest. Wonderful. With the left leg, to make it complete, inhale and exhale. 1, Pranamasana. 2, inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. 3, and then bend forward. 3, Padahastasana. Left leg goes back, all the way back. Left knee down, left toe out. Look in front, push your hip out. Ashwasanchalanasana. Santolanasana, right leg goes back and balance here in Santolanasana. Retain your breath. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Knee down, up, chest down, chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Head up, chest up, keep your glutes tight, toe out. Exhale, tuck your toe, hip up, Parvatasana. From here, your left goes forward like this. Right knee down. Push your chest out. Inhale, Ashwasanchalanasana with left. Exhale, Padahastasana. head towards your knee. Inhale, arch your back like this. Exhale, palms in front of your chest. So I hope now the breathing is clear to you. Let me show you one more round with the breathing, little fast, so that you get everything, like you are completely clear about the inhalation and exhalation. Inhale and exhale, Pranamasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Pada Hastasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Retain, Santolanasana. Exhale, Ashtang Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right forward. Exhale, left forward. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, palms in front of your chest with the left. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, left back. Retain, right back. Exhale, Ashtang Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left forward. Exhale, right forward. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, palms in front of your chest. Congratulations! Now you have learned the step of Surya Namaskar. You have learned how to breathe in Surya Namaskar. Now I am going to show you the major difference between traditional Surya Namaskar and modern Surya Namaskar. So, Pranamasana, inhale, arch your back. These postures are same. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg goes back. Till here, the traditional and the modern Surya Namaskar are same. But in traditional Surya Namaskar, after Ashwa Sanchalanasana, you do Parvatasana and exhale. But in modern way of doing Surya Namaskar, after the Ashwa Sanchalanasana, you retain your breath and do Santolanasana. Okay? Now we are moving forward. In Ashtang Namaskar, in traditional Surya Namaskar, you retain your breath. You hold your breath after the Parvatasana. Parvatasana, you exhale and then hold your breath and then do Ashtang Namaskar like this by holding the breath. But in modern Surya Namaskar, after the Santolanasana, when you are holding the breath, you are doing the exhalation in Ashtang Namaskar. Then comes Bhujangasana, which is same. Then comes Parvatasana, exhalation, this also same. From here, in traditional Surya Namaskar, you bring your left leg in front. But in modern Surya Namaskar, you bring your right leg in front like this. This is the difference. And then exhale, other leg forward, head towards your knee, and then arch your back. Exactly the same way with the left, arch your back, bend forward. Now with the left goes back, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. In traditional Surya Namaskar, you exhale here. In modern Surya Namaskar, you retain your breath. Ashtang Namaskar, in traditional Surya Namaskar, you retain your breath. In modern Surya Namaskar, you exhale. Bhujangasana, Parvatasana. In traditional Surya Namaskar, you bring your right leg in front. In modern Surya Namaskar, you bring your left leg in front. And then exhale, inhale, and exhale. If you want to learn yoga under my guidance, you all are welcome to join Zoom yoga classes. These Zoom yoga classes are conducted from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. Indian time. Who can join these yoga classes? If you are a beginner, already a yoga practitioner, or if you have any health condition, you can join these classes. You are going to learn different asanas, pranayama, meditation, relaxation technique to improve your overall health. I am so happy to share with you all that many of my students, they were suffering from health condition like stress-borne problems. thyroid, diabetes, hypertension, high blood pressure, PCOD problem, irregular periods, insomnia, anxiety, stress, depression. Also, there were many health conditions like related to joint pain, arthritis, or many of my students, they wanted to develop strength and flexibility in the body. After few weeks of practicing yoga under my guidance, and they have changed their lifestyle also. So with the consistency, they have seen a great remarkable change in their health condition. So I highly recommend you all to join these yoga classes. I'm sharing my website here, which is www.yogawithshahida.com. So if you visit this website, you will get all the details. You can WhatsApp on this number for quick reply. What are the major benefits of Surya Namaskar? If you practice Surya Namaskar every day, you will develop a great amount of strength and flexibility in your body. It is good for strong digestion, metabolism, your heart health will improve, your respiratory health will improve, your digestive fire will improve. It will improve your overall health. And I am sure now you are 100% comfortable and 100% sure about the breathing, about the body movement. Now what you have to do is you have to practice every day. If you have any suggestion, if you have any feedback, feel free to comment below. Also, if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, please subscribe and like this video. Share this video with your friends and family so that they also learn how to do Surya Namaskar. Keep practicing yoga. I'll see you all in next video. Please take care. Namaste.